the day has finally come for us to ride to Mae Hong Son and the Golden Triangle. We are at GP Petron, the first petrol station where normally we come to top up our petrol and stuff. Our first destination will be straight to Hatyai, which is Thailand, and we would maybe make 4 stops. Well, it depends. This is Nizam's GS1250, and that's my bike, the traditional R1200, and Sarjeev's bike. Here we go, people. Let's go. Okay, we have reached Bukit Kayu Hitam. It's actually the border of Thailand and Malaysia. The weather is very hot. So we are actually currently doing our insurance and the necessary forms that we need to actually enter into Thailand. So this is the place. There are many places like this. They have counters like this. So the staff will assist you to do up your insurance, your T2, your T3 forms, and then you can maybe have some coffee while just waiting for this, for your documentation to be done. There's actually many shops who does this. Come, let me just show you around. We actually came by this way, and you can see just right a restaurant and got signs saying welcome, insurance. There's a few shops. There's another one over there. There's a few up there. This is day 2, and it's the day we are heading to Huahin. So we're having our breakfast first at a very famous dim sum place that we always go to. So we have our breakfast first, have our coffee, and energize up first before we move off to Huahin. The distance range for Huahin is going to be approximately about what are we looking at, man?
Let me take a look.
800 odd.
We are looking at the temperatures of between 32 and 41 degrees throughout the ride.
Yeah. So the temperatures that we checked are most likely going to be about 39 to 40 degrees.
48 kilometers.
So, wow. Okay. So it's going to be about approximately 750 kilometers. The weather is going to be a hot weather. It's going to be a hot ride. So we need to energize up ourselves first. Okay, we are at the legendary Route 41. Where
41
coffee, yeah. So it was told,
actually the lucky gate.
yeah. We were told to actually come here, and it's a place to always visit when we are doing Thailand, right? So normally we don't come here, but okay, we actually U-turn and come back here again. We're gonna have maybe a drink because the weather is extremely hot. So we're gonna have our refreshers now, and yeah, man, we're gonna paste our sticker too, like everybody else. We are now at our pit stop, roughly about 350 kilometers from Hatyai. We are at PTT petrol station and having coffee or juice, let's say, at Amazon Cafe. Normally in Thailand, we always stop at PTT because they have the Amazon Cafe, which we really love to drink. The coffees are good, the drinks are good. But the weather is terrible, man. It's like 41 degrees, 40 degrees Celsius, 41 degrees Celsius, burning. So I think we gotta hydrate more, and we still got about 450 kilometers to go. So approximately gonna reach night, fall into night, and we will update you. One thing I really need to introduce to you all is this amazing thing. This is called the face towel, which you can purchase. It's a disposable one. So it sells in 7-Eleven at PTT petrol station. Okay, so now we're gonna see Kumar in action. So now you can see Kumar using the towel.
So with this cold ice cold towel, wow, relax, so refreshing, man. It smells good. It has some kind of perfume on it, you know. It's a good thing to do at every pit stop whenever we have ice cold coffee at a desert cafe, you know. So this is gonna refresh us, and we should be able to go for another 400 km. No problem.
See you again. time check, 7:35 p.m. in Thailand.
Yeah, it's 7:35, and we have been riding for about non-stop from the last petrol stop, about
370 kilometers.
370 kilometers. Actually, we are quite near to our destination. It's about 65 kilometers, but we just wanted to have a break. We rode into night, and the roads are extremely dark. Lucky for me and us, we have good, powerful lights that we've installed on our bikes. That's the good thing. So right now, we're gonna have something to eat. We are at KFC. Maybe get a fish burger or something for myself and Kuma chicken, and top up our hydration levels. But the good thing is the weather is cool right now. It's cool, so that's the good thing about it right now. But it's dark, so we gotta ride slow. And once we are at Huahin, we will catch you guys up again. See you guys. Bye bye. Okay, we have finally reached Huahin at 10:30 Thai time. It's pretty late because we took it easy. Basically, we had 3 stops, if I'm not wrong. And actually, Huahin is meant to be a stopover for us, even though there's lots of things to do in Huahin. So most likely, what we're gonna do is have a shower and chit chat a bit, and then we're going to go to bed because tomorrow is another long ride. We plan to wake up about 7 or maybe 9. We're not so sure at the moment. We'll see our energy levels. Destination will be Tak, which is above Bangkok, above Nakhon Sawan. If we do have enough time, we will push all the way up to Chiang Mai. So the distance to Tak is about 550 kilometers, thereabouts, and to Chiang Mai is about 850 odd kilometers. But we will see tomorrow how's the situation and our energy levels. There's no rush, so we will catch up with you guys. Good night, man.